How to change the home screen mode for your Realme phone with Android 14 or 15 with Realme UI. So this is going between the home screen with drawer mode or standard mode. To make changes to these settings, go ahead and long press a blank area like this here on your home screen and go to home settings right here. From this area here on now, go down until you see home screen mode. Within the home screen mode, you'll see the drawer mode, which basically will give you the swipe up app drawer and all the apps on your home screen if you allow so. Standard mode basically allows all the apps to be on your home screen and no swipe up drawer. So you won't be getting that swipe up app drawer. Notice how everything just filled in itself here just now to, well, take up space on your home screen and create multiple pages. So if you don't want that and you want your app drawer here, go to home screen mode, switch to this one here, and now you'll be able to get access to this here, this swipe up app drawer, which for me is always the preferred option, and it's totally up to you to make that decision. Like and sub.